Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can already tell, we're gonna open up my first ever Chilling Reign trainer box. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Really like the way how they designed this box. I think this box looks amazing. So let's try it open. Getting all of this plastic out, and now okay, there we go. There we go. We got a player's guide right here. Okay, showing us all of the cards. Just a quick look at the cards, you guys. Just a quick look. And I believe this section right here is the most valuable, if I'm not mistaken. But hopefully, out of the 8 packs that we get, we can pull one of these cards, especially this Snorlax. So now, let's get into the box. Take the lid off. And this is how it looks like so far. You probably can't even see that, but yeah, we have all the packs right here. We have some cards, which I believe are all of the energy cards they gave you. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Alright, next up, we got these sleeves. Ooh, okay. These sleeves aren't bad. I needed some of these, not gonna lie. Got my promo card. And then I believe these are just regular cards. And then we have the official trading card rules. Just in case if I want to play with a friend or not. Alright. Then we have dices and these things, which I don't even know what they do. But now we have the Chilling Reign packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yo, that Galarian Moltres looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Let me just take time to appreciate these packs. The Zapdos, oh my goodness. Alright, let's get into it. So last thing before I open these packs, look at this artwork in here that I didn't even notice. Oh my goodness. It's probably backwards. There we go. Oh my gosh. And here's one final look at each of the packs. Alright, you guys, let's start it off hot with the Moltres pack. Here we go. Let's not take a look at the cards yet. Let's just look at Moltres for a second. As soon as I open this. Oh! That's a good sign right here. That's a good sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Alright. I'm nervous, guys. Alright, here we go. Energy. Ravoots. I got the... What? Why am I getting trainers? I swear. Colobus. I don't think I'm saying that right. Mareep. Rhodes. Cast form. Raining cast form. You got the Snover. Oh, reverse holographic. Oh, snap. Okay. Starting off hot with a Zeraora V. Now we can use one of the sleeves and sleeve this bad boy up. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna sell it for $1 million on eBay. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Since we started off hot, it only makes sense to go cool from here. Let's go with the... Actually, yeah, let's go with the Articuno pack. Here we go. Here we go. Open the pack up. Look at Articuno. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. Starting off hot ice. Ice this time. The white trainer card. Whatever. It just shows that it's a good sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Energy. World Pet. Sorry, I can't even pronounce some of these names sometimes. Dwaki. Peloni. Diglett. Store Bunny. Shuppet. Kung Fu. Blitzel. Reverse. Hollow Flaffy. And a Galarian Slowking VMAX. Oh my gosh. Why are we starting off so good? Let's leave this bad boy up. Oh my goodness. Can't believe we started off with two good cards off the bat. Back to back. Oh my gosh. Take a look again. Not only did we start off hot ice, but let's keep that same electric energy going. Pack number 3. Let's see if we can still keep the hype up. Okay, no white cards this time. But let's see what we can get. 2, 3, 4. Alright. Here we go. Energy. Dyna Tree Hill. Spiral Energy. Spiral. Sorry guys, I graduated from high school. Larion. Kung Fu. NK. Diglett. Store Bunny. Snuppet. Reverse Hollow Wheezing. And a Warwing. Alright, I think we gotta keep it up. Chill. Ice. Whatever. Pack number 4. Okay. We got the white card this time. Good signs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Energy. Peonia. Don't get mad if I pronounce these names wrong, okay? I'm not even gonna say it. Crushing Gloves. Galarian Yamask. Coffin. Snuppet. I'm not even gonna say it. Sahil. Reverse Hollow Coffin, okay? And okay, a Hollow Rapid Strike Urshifu. Oh my goodness. Not only did we get the Reverse Hollow Coffin, but also the reverse Hollow Wheezing. What a happy family. Last 4 packs right here. I'm gonna just go with the Shadow Rider. Alright, here we go. Pack number 5. Okay. Got another white code card. 3, 4. Just not mess that up. We're on YouTube. Oh, got the wet pack. That wet pack, you already know. Clowny. Fire Resistance Glove. Welcoming Lantern. Kavu. Blizzle. Crowfish. Galarian Slowpoke. Just like the Galarian Slowking VMAX. Weedle. Reverse Hollow Impact Energy. And a Galarian Moltres. Oh my gosh. Jeez, we're just pulling out good cards. I got the God Box right here. God Box. Oh my gosh. Just leave it up. Just leave this thing up. Moltres is one of my favorite legendary birds. Just to put that out there. And I can't even get this in. Alright, there we go. There we have it. Galarian Moltres V. Pack number 6 of the God Box, apparently. Okay, and I guess our luck is gonna run out eventually, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it. Oh, okay, maybe not. We got the fire pack. We had the wet pack. Now we have the fire pack. All right, here we go. Galarian chestplate. Okay, not gonna say it. Cocoon, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke again, Weedle, Carlobus, Mareep, Reverse Hollow Karen, and a Galarian Surfetched. 2 more packs left, so let's go with the. Let's keep it up with the ice. Here we go, guys. Ooh, you already know. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. Milani. Why am I? What's with the trainers? Oh my gosh. Galarian Yamask. Snorunt. Bouncewet. Kafu. NK. Reverse Hollow Seal. And oh my gosh, Single Strike Urshifu. Okay. 2 Urshifus back. No, not back to back, but you know. The last pack out of the Chilling Reign Elite Trainer Box. Let's end it off with some heat. Some heat. Alright, can we get white? No. I should open up the other pack first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Energy. Fionia. Honey. Drizzle. Swirlix. Yes! Yes, I wanted this tried. The Lapras tried. Let's go. Deerling. Galarian Slowpoke. Coffin. Susbuck. And this Zebstrika. Alright, you guys. And to recap, we got the Zioria V. The Galarian Moltres V. And the big one. The Galarian Slowking VMAX. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video again. If you enjoyed, always like, comment. And this might become my Pokemon channel. Or not. Maybe I'll just upload whatever I want on this channel. So, thank you guys. And I'll see you in the next one.